In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom domain in Vercel, and we'll accomplish this in just 5 minutes. If you're ready to enhance your online presence by making your project accessible from your own unique domain, you've come to the right place. Let's get started by taking you through this simple and straightforward process. First, you'll need to log into your Vercel account. This is the central platform where we will manage and link our project to our custom domain. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate over to your project dashboard. This is essentially your project's command center, allowing you to manage various aspects of your hosting environment. From the dashboard, our next move will be configuring some settings. Click on the Settings menu and then direct your attention to the Domains section. This is where you'll manage domain connections for your projects. Here comes an exciting step. Go ahead and click Add to enter your custom domain name, such as example.com. Make sure to input the correct domain name that you have acquired through a domain registrar. Now, with the domain entered, we need to confirm that you own it. Vercel assists with this by providing a set of DNS records. These records act as a verification tool to prove ownership of the domain. Your next task will be to head over to your domain registrar. This is the service where you purchased your domain. You'll need to update your domain's DNS records with the details provided by Vercel. This will typically involve logging into your registrar's account and navigating to the DNS settings. It's crucial to carefully enter each DNS record as provided by Vercel, as this ensures that all the routing will work correctly. Once you've entered all necessary DNS records, the waiting game begins. You'll need to allow some time for the DNS changes to propagate through the internet's many servers. This might take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, depending on various factors. So just be patient and maybe take this time to review other details of your project while you wait. Finally, one of the significant advantages of using Vercel is that it automatically issues an SSL certificate for your domain once everything is set. This step makes sure that your site is secure, giving your visitors peace of mind that their connection to your website is safe. And there you have it. By the end of these steps, your Vercel project should be seamlessly connected to your custom domain, making it accessible to users from anywhere in the world. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process both easy and enjoyable. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to consult Vercel's support or reach out to the community for additional help. Happy deploying!